Peace and blessings, family. I'm about to show y'all how to make this creamy Irish moss gel that can be used in all types of dishes in the kitchen so that you can get your superfood, nutrient, and mineral boost in your meals. First and foremost, you want to sustainably source your Irish moss. Don't just buy from anybody. Do your research, trust your supplier. I personally get mine from Yaga Lifestyle straight from Jamaica. So you can use my discount code, which is letstalkfood. We are first going to cleanse and rinse our Irish moss, releasing any sediments, rocks, or shells. At this point, personally, I feel it's the most important part of the experience because this is where we're massaging our medicine and pouring our love into our medicine. And then after we pour that love in there, our loving intentions to heal, right? We're healing. We're then going to wash away all that no longer serves. After that, we're going to cover the Irish moss with water, let it soak overnight. This way it will double in size and it will be ready to be blended as gel. Until then, good night. Grand Rising. And now for the unveiling. It's alive. Oh, yes, it is, baby. Oh, yes, it is. This is some real life food, okay? Straight from the seas of Jamaica, filled with life-giving vitamins and minerals. And for my pregnant or nursing mamas, great to ingest when you're breastfeeding. Now we are going to release the water that our sea moss has been soaking in overnight. Put the sea moss in a high-speed blender, just like that. After that, you want to cover your sea moss with water. You don't need a whole bunch of water, just cover it. And then you blend it until smooth. Once your sea moss gel is finished and it's super creamy and smooth, store it in a mason jar. Yeah, we definitely gonna make sure that we get every drop of this medicine because we definitely don't waste no food around here. We don't waste food. Now, before you put it in the fridge, it is best to label it so you can monitor its shelf life. And honestly, looking at the date all the time in the fridge inspires me to eat it every day and then just like find creative ways to incorporate it in meals. And also this avoids letting it go bad too. Alright, so let's get into the fun part. How do we actually use Irish sea moss gel in our daily regimen when we're in the kitchen? So here's some fun ways that I use it. I have my herbal tea here and I put about a tablespoon of the Irish sea moss gel in my tea and stir. About a tablespoon or so in your soups and stews, which is really great. It adds a nice little thickness to it. And my favorite way to ingest Irish sea moss gel is in baked goods and waffles and pancakes, that kind of thing. Yo, first of all, Irish sea moss gel is great. Yo, I be having mad fun in the kitchen, y'all. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I really be having a blast. Music is an ingredient, okay? Dancing is an ingredient. All of these things are important ingredients. Great energy being put in your food enhances all the medicinal properties. So yes, Irish moss gel, putting it in baked goods is great because it actually acts as a natural raising agent. I don't even know if that makes sense, but if I'm using Irish moss gel, I don't need to use baking powder, which is so dope because I don't be wanting to use baking powder or baking soda in my baked goods. So let's just admire this beautiful superfood infused, locally grown banana bread. Come on. We give thanks, yo. Give thanks. The Creator always provides. It just makes me so happy to have access. I know that not everybody has access to locally grown food and locally grown herbs and superfoods. I'm just so grateful. But like I said, yo, order some Irish moss from a trusted supplier and get these vitamins and minerals in all of your meals, okay? And tag me in whatever it is that you create at lets.talkfood. Until next time, peace and blessings.